Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to transfer Robux to friends on Roblox. Let's start. First of all, open up the Roblox. After opening the Roblox, click on Creator from the top menu. It will bring you to the Creator dashboard, and all you need to do is make sure you pick a public place. Then from the left side menu, click on Associated Items. Once you get into Associated Items, tap on Passes, and then you need to create a pass. For creating a pass, you need to upload an image. Now pick up the image you want. You can give a name to the pass like Robux for friends or whatever you want. You can also give the description of your pass if you want to. Then click on Create Pass. Now you can see the pass you have just created. Open up the pass that says Off Sale, which takes you into its basic settings, then go into Sales. Here, turn on the Items for Sale option. You can set the price of Robux and see the percentage of creators' earnings from selling Robux. Then click on Save Changes to save the changes you made. Now that you created your game passes, you just need to open roblox.com in the new tab. Then search PLS Donate, and there you see PLS Donate right here. It should have a lot of people actually playing it, so open it up and start playing games. Once you get into this, simply find an empty stand. Walk up to it and see where it says your text here. Then hold E to claim that stand. Here you will see the game passes that you've created. If they don't show up, they're still being moderated. Give it some time and wait for them to show up. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this, and explain me how we're solving new problems every day.